lagi kang ma-inspire and lagi kang ma-feel blessed. Thank you sa life. Happy birthday.
Hello, Kuya Arthur. Happy birthday. Pa-steamboat ka naman. Ano ba? Thank you po sa lahat-lahat at pagiging tatay namin. Yun lang po. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. May God continue to bless you with supernatural increase this year. May you continue to serve Him. Happy birthday! Wala na.
Happy birthday! Ayun si Kuya Ardo, isa sila. Ayan. Kuya Ardo, thank you for being a blessing to us. Ayun, napakabait mo talaga. Siya ka tatay na tatay ka sa amin lahat. So, continue mo lang yung ginagawa mo and continue mo lang isiksigad na nawa na hindi ka na maging shy sa pag-pray in front of many people. Thank you for the life. Happy birthday.
Kuya Arthur. Actually, nandun ka oh. Ito balik. Kuya Arthur, happy birthday and God bless you and thank you for your very willing heart and yung faith mo na nandiyan ka lagi kahit na bangod sa work and maraming responsibility sa trabaho is nakikita namin yung heart mo na nandun lagi. Lalo na sa mga functions kahit na simpleng kahit na ano papagawa sa'yo is yung heart mo is pinupour out mo talaga. And yan, glory to God and for your life and sa heart mo. Happy birthday!
Kuya, April boy ka rin pala. Happy birthday po, Kuya. May you continue to grow in your faith in God. Continue to be used by Him in whatever things you do. I pray na successful ka sa family mo, sa career mo, at siyempre sa walk mo. So, happy birthday, Kuya.